Hey there, welcome to Oak Lake. Today we're trying to... Huh?
How many fish you guys caught?
14.
Any bites?
No.
What the fuck?
How about you?
Oh, I just shit on the strap of my overalls.
Well, we're glad we got that.
Yeah, we got that covered.
Anyways, we don't know. Today we're fishing for perch, pike, and walleye, Oak Lake, Manitoba. We're in about 6 feet of water, and we have live minnows, an assortment of jigs. Thought Mike's went down. Hopefully get back to you with some fish soon, because it's gotta get something. Yeah, it was already all up.
Knock, knock.
Got a camera in there?
No.
Yeah, no doubt.
Anything on this one?
No,
You haven't put it down?
He put it down, but didn't see nothing. Like, the screen was too murky.
Okay. Done it?
Yeah, fighting a lot.
Right on. Bit of weight there, eh?
Yeah, pike, I think. Just saw a beak.
He's giving it to you. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a pretty good one too.
Nice pike. Hey, we got a big one.
Will you take that bobber off?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me get a chance.
Yeah.
I got her, yeah. Here it comes. Get ready. Put the scoop down the hole and turn it. Oh, here he comes. Grab him by the gills. Or hook him. Yeah.
Right on.
Oh yeah!
Right on.
Right on. $29.5.
Not bad.
Yep. Can you turn it a bit more? Yeah. Oh, sorry. We're all like, woo, it's a jackfish! There.
They're starting to hit now. We've had 2 pike and now our first walleye of the day.
Nice Oak Lake greenback. Well, we're in a much smaller shack now. Wind's blowing like mad, so we're quite thankful for it still. So the Manitoba setup.
1 bobber wasn't enough.
I meant the log.
Oh, Manitoba, yeah, Manitoba fishing
you
rod.
showed the Polish setup.
Yeah. I think they're both a little Polish.
So a guy's moving a shack behind us. I caught 1 jack and 1 walleye so far, so we'll see what happens here. We got some still pictures of them, but didn't quite get the videoing in time, so anyways, not a bad day.
Fucking
2-pounder.
Oh yeah. Got one like that. Oh, a couple days now. Yep.
That's some fresh Manitoba deer sausage. Jalapeno like.